shower. This is something I repaired, I don't know, last year, a couple of years ago, and there's a new issue now. Look here, speed automatic, well, okay. Speed 1, okay. Speed 2, okay. Speed 3, you see? Is to go down and then go. So I don't know, let's see. Well, I think I find the issue. See this capacitor here? That is the one that is used for powering on the supply, the microcontroller. This one is replaced, this one is the original one, and I don't know if you can see there's a little bit of swelling over here. And so let's check, but I think it could be this. And let's check it. Speed 1, well, speed automatic, speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. It's working. It's working. Sometimes it's just a matter of being lucky. It's just a capacitor, and this time I was lucky. Well, I measured the voltage over the capacitor. It's 13 volt, and the one that blew it is rated 25. So I have put I have 150 volts around, so I've put 150 volts, but 25 is more than enough when you have 13. Anyway, now it's working.